Hi, in front of me is OPPO A95 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Password and Security. Then click on Manage Passwords and tap on Google. Finally, to add a password, select this plus next to Search Passwords. Now you can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Following that, input all of those informations: username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finished, click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!